Coming up on Red Hawk News, ACIT stands up against bullying by celebrating World Unity Day.
The students in performing arts had their first performance of the year, Cabaret Night.
And we have the guidelines for wearing a Halloween costume to ACIT.
Red Hawk News starts now.
Coming to you from Red Hawk Studios at the Atlantic County Institute of Technology, this is Red Hawk News.
Welcome to today's episode of Red Hawk News, the most trusted source for all things ACIT. I'm Count Usolini.
And I'm the head of Ariana Hernandez. On October 19th, ACIT celebrated World Unity Day. Zoe Reamer has the story.
On October 19th, the Guidance Department hosted Unity Day in the cafeteria during all lunch periods. Unity Day takes place on the third or fourth Wednesday in October. It is known as the signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month. Students wrote kind messages and their names on a puzzle piece to stand up against bullying. Students and staff were also encouraged to wear orange to show kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. A kind word can lift up someone's day, so remember to choose kindness. If you or someone you know is being bullied, reach out to the Guidance Department or a trusted adult for help. For Red Hawk News, my name is Zoe Reamer.
Remember, we are all human beings. Let's treat each other with kindness and respect.
Members of the Performing Arts program put on a show for their parents and their peers. Ava Ferretra has the report.
ACIT's Performing Arts students had their first performance of the year, Cabaret Night. Cabaret Night took place Friday, October 14th. It was an eventful night for everyone. Audience members were able to see both solo and group performances. There were different variations of song styles that went along with their singing and with their dancing. Now everybody is just raving about Cell Block. It's been described as a high-energy recreation of the original Broadway number from Chicago. The evening's mix of drama, vocals, and dance continued to bring everyone to their feet. For Red Hawk News, my name is Ava Ferretra.
Don't forget, tonight is ACIT's homecoming dance. Tickets will be available at the door, but only for ACIT students. Students are required to have their school IDs to enter. The event begins at 6 p.m. We hope to see you there.
On this week's segment of Hawk Talk, our correspondents hit Main Street to gauge the excitement for this year's homecoming dance.
I'm Michael Palmentieri for Word on the Street, and today we're talking about homecoming. You guys going to homecoming?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for?
The music.
Hanging out with my friends.
To be honest, I don't know. I haven't gone since my freshman year, so I don't know what to expect.
What I'm most excited about is to see the decorations, how it's all set up, and how everybody dresses.
I'm excited about the theme and all the sparkles and glitter, and my dress is bomb.
How do you feel about the new theme, Starstruck?
I think it's really cute, and I think the colors are going to be nice.
Oh, I think it's really cute. I feel like that goes with the type of vibe that we're in right now.
I think it's really nice. Starstruck, it's different.
I like it. The colors are cute and stuff.
I think it's fine, but it's hard to match the theme with your outfit.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Do you have coats you've been dying to get rid of? Why not donate them? ACIT will be hosting a Halloween coat drive for people in need. Drop off the coats in room 1185 or room 3605 from October 10th through October 31st. For more information, contact Mr. Adams at badams@acitech.org.
Mr. Red Hawk is back. The latest group of contestants are ready to strut their stuff on stage to claim the title of Mr. Red Hawk 2023. Join us on November 18th for singing, dancing, and to see the seniors of ACIT like you've never seen them before. Tickets are $10 for adults and only $5 for students and children. The show begins at 7 p.m. sharp. Doors open at 6:30 p.m. You won't want to miss this year's Mr. Red Hawk, only at ACIT.
Welcome back to Red Hawk News. The production coordinator for PHL 17's Morning News visited the PAC to share her experience in both the performing arts and journalism fields. Brittany Thomas has the story.
Students in the performing arts and media programs had the opportunity to learn about their chosen field from a professional performer and journalist. On Friday, October 21st, Alyssa Sullivan visited ACIT to share her story and career experiences on stage and on screen. Alyssa expressed the importance of passion and its connections to finding success. She reminded students that the entertainment and media industries can be difficult and require tireless dedication, but that it also provides experiences that cannot be replaced. During high school, her goals were related to the theater until she enrolled in the journalism program at Rowan University and discovered a passion she didn't know existed. After receiving the Jack Gillespie Award for Excellence in Journalism in 2020, Alyssa served as an intern for Fox 29 and ABC 6 in Philadelphia. In 2021, she was named Miss New Jersey by the Miss New Jersey Scholarship Organization. She is currently the production coordinator for PHL 17 Morning News. For Red Hawk News, I'm Brittany Thomas.
Aviation held its annual paper airplane contest in a pack. Students and staff were welcome to compete in aerobatics and distance events. Jared has more.
On Friday, October 21st, the Great Paper Airplane Contest was hosted in the Performing Arts Center during the first 3 periods. This year's contest was not just open to the aviation program, but also the CAD and engineering programs. The contest consisted of 3 sections: aerobatics, distance, and design. The students were only allowed one piece of 8.5 by 11-inch paper to design their plane. For aerobatics, the contestants were only allowed 1 throw, and the more tricks performed, the more points were awarded. Contestants were allowed 2 throws for the distance competition, with the farthest landing plane winning. ACIT's principal, Mr. Joseph Paquet, also assisted in judging the design competition. The first place winners in design, aerobatics, and distance will have their names engraved on the Red Hawk trophy. For Red Hawk News, I am Jared Trainer.
Halloween is this Monday. Students and staff are encouraged to wear costumes to celebrate the holiday. However, safety comes first. Please do not wear masks, fake blood, or bring weapon-like props.
Avoid costumes that are insensitive or suggestive. If it violates the school dress code, it shouldn't be worn. You're still required to wear your school ID throughout the day.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow Red Hawk Media on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to receive the latest news from ACIT.
Also, discover more about ACIT on our digital publication, The Pursuit. For the crew and staff of Red Hawk News, we'll see you next time.
Pursue what you love.